Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to update Steam Workshop items. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the Library tab. Click on it to access your game collection. This is where all your installed games and their associated content are stored. In the left panel, you'll now see a list of all your games. Go ahead and click on the specific game for which you want to update Workshop items. This could be any game that supports Steam Workshop content such as Counter-Strike, Skyrim, or Cities Skylines. Once you select the game, Steam should automatically begin downloading any available Workshop updates in the background. This automatic update process is designed to keep your mods and custom content current without any manual intervention. However, if the automatic update doesn't trigger or you notice that your Workshop items aren't updating properly, there's a manual workaround you can use. You'll need to unsubscribe from the item, wait a few seconds to ensure the action registers with Steam servers, then subscribe to it again. This forces Steam to re-download the item with its latest version. Now, to manage your Workshop subscriptions directly, navigate to the upper right corner of the Steam window and click on your username. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select View My Profile. This will take you to your personal Steam profile page where you can access various community features and settings. Once you're on your profile page, look at the right panel where you'll find several sections. Click on Workshop items to view all your Workshop-related content. This section displays everything you've created, subscribed to, or interacted with across the Steam Workshop. In the right panel again, you'll see an option for subscribed items. Click on it to view a complete list of all the Workshop content you're currently subscribed to across all your games. This gives you a centralized location to manage all your custom content and mods. You'll now see all your subscribed Workshop items displayed in a grid or list format. Browse through this collection and click on the specific Workshop item you want to update. This will open the item's Workshop page with full details about the content. On this page, hover your mouse over the subscribe button. When you do this, it will change to unsubscribe. Go ahead and click it to remove your subscription to this item. This action unlinks the content from your account temporarily. Finally, click the subscribe button again to re-download the item. By doing this, Steam will fetch the latest version of the Workshop content and install it fresh, ensuring you have all the most recent updates and bug fixes. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Steam Workshop item by forcing a fresh download. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.